Here we got 1935 Chevy Pickup. Happy Patrick's Day from the brewers of Guinness. And Guinness Ale, which has come out of Pennsylvania. We used to drink that all the time in New Jersey back in the day. It's a big 35 truck. You can see that's a stout motor. Looks all original there. It's got a lot of thickness to that cast iron exhaust manifold too. And probably running, looks like a generator, probably maybe he's running 6 volts. So. And of course manual steering, this big old beast. And that's your handbrake down there, see that? Down there, the stick shift, handbrake, pull it back and it goes, you know. You got your Irish flag. Oh, by the way, St. Patrick was Italian, if you don't know that. I don't belong to the Sons of Italy, they keep reminding me all the time. St. Patrick was Italian. Make sure you celebrate St. Patty's Day because she's Italian. It's like, oh boy, I can see this, the war between the Irish and Italians. American flag, St. Patty flag. Yeah. I used to salute that flag all the time, and we also had the big meatball out there in Far East, you know. The Rising Sun. Anyway, whatever. Actually, back then, those handbrakes were considered emergency brakes because I'm not sure if this had juice. It probably does have juice brakes, but not much before this, there were mechanical brakes. And even so, you'd have one cylinder, master cylinder, even on the juice brakes. You'd be pulling on that emergency brake down there, going, stop, gearing down. That's why automatics were a bad thing back then. At least with a manual, you had a way to slow it down a little bit. Brakes went out.